Imagine now you're like 3 months down the road, nothing's changed. You've been getting like steady flows of people and clients and all of that type of stuff. You'd probably feel not stressed. So you've got to divide everything up into the tasks that you're trying to do, right? Work-life balance, right? We talk about the Eisenhower matrix of, important, urgent, and all of that type of stuff. But you can also just say, is this crucial for my business? Critical, absolutely necessary. If I don't do this, my business is going to die tomorrow. Versus essential. I need to keep my eye on this. Essential is like urgent, but not important. It's important, but not urgent. Like I can deal with this, but maybe in a week, 2 weeks away, whatever. That's really the trick, is determining which stuff is like, I got to do it now versus it's important, but I can do it later at a later date. The wheels are still turning, so that's fine. Versus enhancing, as in this would make it easier or optimal. The enhancing stuff should only be done in times of peace, right?